Have you ever searched how to make money on YouTube and a lot of creators come up? Well, I'm here to help you choose from all the creators. I'm gonna tell you the best 5 in South Africa that can help you. Or if you're in Africa, it might work for you also. Who am I? I'm TK. I'm here to help you make money. So let's go. So number 5 will be Queen Magomani. So which is all about making money on websites and apps. I've used a bit, a lot. She has helped me broaden my horizons on websites and apps and how to make money using apps and surveys. And one thing I like about her is she shows you the proof of withdrawals. Sometimes she does do the withdrawals on video. So her latest videos are like quick cash, and she advises you on apps, 5 apps that to make money. And the latest is the latest way to make $100 a day. Imagine, guys, $100 a day, which is approximately 1,000 something in SA, might be 2. So please make sure you check out Queen Magomani and her latest videos. That will help you make some consistent profit. But please, their service, guys, don't expect to make money same day. You need to build up your rapport, if you know what I mean. So you need to make sure you're consistent with it to make that $100. Number 4. So before I tell you number 4, please make sure you subscribe and like, guys. Most of the time I've been dragging to shoot this video for the past 3 weeks. So make sure you subscribe to give me the motivation. Let's get this account to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 cars. Come on, guys, hand it up. So number 4 will be financial affairs with Nosipho. So what's financial affairs with Nosipho? So basically, financial affairs with Nosipho, she really pushes the boundaries. Like, she gives you the side hustles, the jobs, CV jobs, the jobs that need no experience. So yeah, let me explain what she does basically. So financial affairs with Nosipho, her videos are about getting job work, remote jobs from USA, China, while you're in SA. So she would give you advices on how to get them, give you advices on which websites to go to, what do they need, and how much they pay. Some jobs she would tell you they pay 54k in rent. Some of them pay 280, where you can make 218 3 hours, $280, by the way. So those are the things, like the side hustles. She plugs you, she explains how she got the jobs. So basically, she focuses on you getting remote jobs, not in South Africa but abroad. Sometimes she does cover South Africa, where like Amazon jobs are here. So make sure you should check financial affairs with Nosipho. She has helped a lot of people been following her content for her. She's awesome. So make sure you just do check out her videos out. So yeah, let's get to number 3. Number 3 as one guy. So basically, what these guys I'm talking about, they are in a different fields of their own, guys. Some of them are in how to make money faster. Some of them are about giving you opportunities to get jobs online while you're at home. So some of them will provide you with the equipment that you need. So for the equipment that you need, that's why I would recommend financial affairs with Nosipho, because she knows what she does. She has done it. I think she has hit her first million. Most of the people that I'm telling you about have hit the millions. So I wouldn't recommend people who haven't hit their first millions, guys. So yeah, let's get to number 3. So number 3 is Malaba. Those who know him know him. He's the OG. He's been doing this for a long time. Yeah, guys, for him to be number 3, that's what this guy said. They are not ranked, guys. So just my top 5. So people who I know will help you make money. So Malaba is all about the freelancing, the how to make money freelancing, gives you the tutorials on how to create a web design. So basically, he's in the ones where you work online most of the time. So yeah, I'm talking about everyone who's making, but he's all about creating webs, freelancing, making sure, like, he gives you the roadmap on how to make money online, like with freelancing, web designing. So he just wants you to be an entrepreneur basically. So you need to have that get the yeah the get it guy, if I'm wrong. So yeah guys, his latest videos you might find that roadmap to $3,000, which you can do, which is possible. He gives you also a complete tutorial on advanced smart link. He reviews it basically for you, so that you can, when you get into it, you'll be able to have a smooth sailing. He advises you how to do it. He has a video of him making his, how he made his first million. So imagine, that's why I say the people I'm telling you are those I know who have made $1 million and above. So make sure you do check out Malaba. But it doesn't stop there. Like, he will give you, sometimes it does, he has free courses on how to create some websites which are on his YouTube channel. Make sure you do check it out. And I'm saying it a lot, and you're not subscribing. Why are you not subscribing? Come on, click that subscribe button and like button while I wait here before I tell you the second one. Come on, click that like button. But yeah, it's Malaba. You learn. For me, what I took away, I learned a lot of new skills. Like, it opened my brain to new horizons, since I was always focused on how to make money online. So I would watch Queen Magomani a lot. And yeah, make sure if you're still on this video, the last part, I'll give you some 2 websites to make money myself that I do use to make some money. So yeah, if you're still in it, make sure you wait till the last part, because that's where the juice is. So have you heard people say, I am a social media manager, and you wanted to get into social media management? So in number 2, I have the best person for you, Radebe. So Radebe, she's a social media marketer, social media, everything related to social media and making money. She's the one for you. That's why I chose her as number 2. So she has a bunch of videos advising you on how to be a social media marketer, how to be a social media manager. That's the word that I wanted. Finally got it. So yeah, she has a video of her showing that she made her first million is being a social media manager. So she even has a free course, from what I understand, which I did check out, about being a social media manager, which gives you some tips and tricks on how to be a social media manager. So yeah, I think she is number 2. She does motivate us as gents, because social media management, most people are ladies. So if you're a gent, make sure you get into it. Make sure you check out her videos. They're awesome, guys. So yeah, let me explain. So basically, she has been running a social media agency for the longest time. I think 2 years. For me, that's a long time. So her content is basically centered around social media management, but being a social media marketer, giving you advices, showing you the tips and tricks, like giving you those advices. And he does even show you why that let me tell you about her latest video, which is why your SMMA will flop and what to do instead. You see, so she's basically in her last video that she uploaded 2 weeks ago, giving you advice on what to do. You feel me? If you do wanna do SMMA. So yeah, there's a lot of videos on her YouTube channel. Make sure you check her out. I just put the videos of the people, the profiles of the people I'm talking about. So make sure you check them out. So, and the last and the best one for me, who I've been using for a long time, who is an OG, the guy I admire. I don't have a lot of words, but let's get right into it. So number one, those who know him, he's been doing this YouTube since 2016. I started following him in 2019. He started off with the how to make money online, also dealing with apps like Field Agent. He did a lot of stuff, bro, to help us make money while some of us were younger. We grew up still young, but you feel me most. But yeah, number 1 is none other than the king himself. Yeah, I said it. He's the king. He's the queen. PHUSHA. That guy's been doing YouTube on how to make money for the longest time. I was introduced to him through like the people. Like I used to do a lot of his videos, like field agent, the website used to advisors. Like he's been through the levels, but now he's into e-commerce, which e-commerce, most of you know, it's drop shipping. But yes, drop shipping. He does take a lot. He advises you on how to get into Amazon. So basically, even has a podcast on his YouTube channel that invites hustlers, entrepreneurs, like people who sell iPhones, people who sell on Amazon, to advise you on how to make money, on how to be an entrepreneur, on how to get into those fields of those people, like iPhone reselling. And those people he invites have made more than $1 million. So make sure you check him out. So I think PHUSHA is the best for me. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna, I promised you 2 websites on how to make money. So the first one is going to be, still I say subscribe before I give those 2 gems away. But yeah, I'm gonna, the first that I use every time is Maholla, Maholla. So what is Maholla? So basically Maholla is basically when you buy something from the shops like ShopRite, Pick n Pay, you take the picture of your till slip, it pays you, so it gives you certain points where you can redeem those points and make money. But recently it has increased, it has broadened its basis by including surveys and playing online games, just to increase your points, which you can claim, right? Or redeem is the way. You can redeem by maybe using a voucher, one voucher, by getting it as a voucher for take a lot. So a lot of things, guys, a lot of things. So it does help. And yeah, you can make a lot of money. Also, I think you can make money by referring. You can check my link below. And the second one, I think I'm gonna leave it for the next one, but for those who don't know, I'm TK. There'll be more coming. Make sure you subscribe. There'll be a second version of this video, because there are a lot of people who have made the best videos about making money online. So let me exchange it. So for the second app, I'll exchange it to one of the South African YouTubers in the money making scene. So his name is Trinstan Mathews. It's Trinstan Mathews. So we'll make him number 6, but this is just a bonus for those of you who reach the end. Trinstan Mathews teaches you about e-commerce also, but she's mostly focused on drop shipping, like how to create a Shopify Shopify shop. So yeah, Trinstan Mathews will be the end. I'm not gonna explain a lot, so you have to make sure you check out this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment below so I can make sure that I upload more like this. There'll be more about the best traders, the top 5 or the top 10 traders. You can, if you want to come into trading, the ones you can learn from on YouTube. If you want to do copywriting, I'll give you the 5 traders you can use. If you want to go into digital marketing, top 5 people I would advise you to follow on YouTube. So there are a lot more that I'm planning for you guys. Just be ready to join. Join, guys. So the Maholla link will be on the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, TK.